Today we're making a delicious flavorful eggplant recipe, perfect as a side or a main dish. Let's get started. Start by adding 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds of eggplant cut into small cubes into a large pan. Pour in water, then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover the pan and let it boil for about 10 minutes over high heat, then drain and set aside. Now, in a large pan over medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once it's hot, add 1 large diced onion and 2 diced red bell peppers. Sauté until they're tender and slightly golden. Season with 1 teaspoon Himalayan salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon paprika. Now add 1 cup of tomato sauce, mix well, cover the pan, reduce the heat to low, and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Next, add a quarter cup of white vinegar and give it a gentle stir. Add the boiled eggplants, stir everything together over medium heat for another 2 minutes, just to bring all the flavors together. And there you have it. A warm, comforting eggplant dish that's packed with flavor and completely keto and low-carb friendly and super easy to make. If you try this recipe, I'd love to hear how it turned out for you. Leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to Heaven's Kitchen for more tasty and simple recipes every week. Until next time. Happy cooking!